Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making an aloe and MSM based creamy gel styler using an instant cold process gel thickener meant to make the process quick and easy. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. It's also thought to be antibacterial and to help fight itching and dryness. MSM powder is thought to help strengthen hair at the root over time. Use distilled water to create your products. Tap water and purified water may contain substances that can interfere with certain ingredients or accelerate a product going bad. Aloe vera powder 100X is a concentrated, freeze-dried aloe gel that's easy to store and use. MSM is said to improve shine and thickness of the hair. 10% is the percentage at which it's said to be useful topically, so I'm using it at 10% here. If you add all of the MSM into the water at one time, there's a possibility you may have to heat to get all of the MSM to dissolve. After adding half of the MSM powder, mix into the water before you add the rest of it. Okay, now add the rest of the MSM powder and mix well. Make sure everything is dissolved. Glycerin is a very good humectant. There's a reason why it's in everything. If you're worried about dew points, maybe you can keep the percentage under 2%, but that's just a guess. There's less than 1% glycerin in this formula, so you should be fine. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. kind of product is gorgeous, shiny, and doesn't make my 4B, 4C curls too stiff, unlike, a typical Eco Styler. You decide how much your hair can handle. It feels more like a gelled custard than a carbomer-based gel, so some hair types may not like that. Thanks for watching the video, and if you are not already there, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. The easiest way to support is to like this video and subscribe at YouTube or Odyssey.com, even if you can't become a subscriber at CURLYTEA.com. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.